Femoral hernias are groin hernias. They are very similar to inguinal hernias, however, they occur at a slightly lower location. The femoral hernias are below the groin crease. Femoral hernias, as other hernias present, they present with a bulge, which may or may not be painful. What is characteristic of the femoral hernias are that femoral hernias are more likely than other hernias to require emergency surgery. They become incarcerated and they strangulate, and they are at risk for developing an abdominal emergency. For this reason, it is very important, if you're diagnosed with a femoral hernia, you see a doctor and get treatment as soon as possible.